Mastering the art of giving permission. Could, in action. Hello, English learners. Welcome back to our series on intermediate grammar. Today, we are diving into an exciting topic: using could to give permission. It's an essential modal verb that you need in your vocabulary to navigate different social and professional scenarios effectively. Let's dive right in. Could is a modal verb used in various ways in English, including expressing possibility, making requests, and, importantly for our video today, giving permission. It's softer and more polite than can, and adds a layer of courtesy to your language. For example, if someone asks, "Could I use your phone?" you can give permission by saying, "Yes, you could." This is a polite and formal way of giving permission. It's great for use in formal situations, or when you want to convey respect or politeness. Using could is a fantastic way of making your English sound more polite. This is particularly useful when you're talking to someone you don't know very well, or in a formal setting like a business meeting or at school. For instance, if a student asks their teacher, "Could I leave early today?" and the teacher replies, "Yes, you could," it's a polite and respectful exchange. Remember, could is generally considered more polite than can. Now, let's see could in action. Here are a few examples. 1. Could I borrow your book? Yes, you could. 2. Could we start the meeting now? Yes, we could. 3. Could she join our team for this project? Yes, she could. Remember, when using could to give permission, the stress is typically on the word could in the response, emphasizing the permission given. And there you have it. A quick but comprehensive guide on how to use could to give permission in English. It's an easy way to make your English sound more polite and formal. Start practicing using could today, and you'll find it becomes a natural part of your vocabulary in no time. Remember, the more you practice, the more confident you'll become. Thank you for joining us today. Keep practicing, and we'll see you in our next video.